Body parts is an activity that aims to educate students on the different parts of the body and their function in a fun and exciting way. This artifact is suitable for students from early stage 1 up to students in middle primary. It is comprised of 4 mini activities learning about not only the body itself, but also the face, hands and feet, which can then extend the students.
This is me from my head to my toes. Here is my hair that grows on my head.
The game then moves on to an activity where students label each part using corresponding lines and word boxes for support. Students also have the choice to click on an audio button to have the words spoken to them, allowing for support and inclusion.
Shoulder, ears, hands.
The activity then moves on and has the students match the body part with its corresponding number.
How many eyes are there in the picture?
The game moves on to explore the face, hands and legs. It shows a video for each as well as more labelling, matching and crossword activities.
Body Parts provides links to real-world connections by allowing students to explore their own individual body and how they may work or function. It does this through several examples using both male and female characters and descriptive, fun video. It also integrates the different 5 senses throughout each activity with examples of how our bodies rely on them in everyday life. Body Parts shows a connection to the PD/HPE syllabus in the Growth and Development strand. The activity uses labelling as well as locating and matching several body parts and describing its function to fulfill the outcomes in early stage 1 and stage 1. The activity links to the English syllabus and provides a resource for students and teachers to support in-class discussions and achieve speaking and listening outcomes. It also provides a source for students to create text such as a factual description or an information report as seen in the outcome for Stage 1, where students compose text supported by visual information, such as informative and imaginative text. The activity also shows connections to the quality teaching model with examples in each dimension. Body Parts uses the element of deep knowledge by allowing students to access, select and record information through the activities that also require the students to listen, question and research. The activity also involves areas where the students are applying knowledge of content and reflecting on these processes throughout the game. For example, the game displays a video that then has students reflect by applying the content to other situations. Engagement is used in this artifact as it uses bright colours, music, sounds and interactive videos to attract and engage students. The activities are interesting, fun and relevant to students because of their relation to their own bodies and their functions. Student direction is also applied to this resource as it gives students an opportunity before beginning the activity, a choice of what activity they might want to begin with. This task is designed so that students can extend into further learning if they choose and gives a student-centered approach. The last dimension of the quality teaching model uses connectedness. This online activity of Body Parts allows for students to relate their own individual bodies to real-life contexts and are then able to see a real purpose of their learning. This online activity applies school knowledge in real-life contexts and it provides students with the opportunities to share their new knowledge and work with their parents, grandparents and peers that are beyond the class.
Out of all the quality teaching elements that the artifact possesses, connectedness is the most important in promoting quality teaching and enhancing learning. Connectedness has been defined as a valuable pedagogical strategy by academics such as Berner, Smith, Lee and Newman. They determine that the use of interactive activities in the classroom that relate to students can increase greater effective learning and better applications to other key learning areas.